So here I am at one of the grow arches I showed you the other day. I'm going to plant some Kentucky Wonder pole beans, and what I've done is just take a little stick, dig a trench, a little bit of a trench, get them about an inch deep. Do it with one hand while you hold the camera. Anyway, let me rip this package open and we'll plant some. So we'll just put put a seed. I put them about every 6 inches apart in the little trench, and sometimes I plant 2 at a time. That, corn, a little bit of everything else, and then we'll cover them up. Be done. So they're in the trench there, and we'll just basically cover them up just like you do anything else. Then I'll come in here and water this and wait for it to sprout. It says no glasses on, but I believe it says 8 to 15 days to sprout, 60 to 70 days to harvest. So soil temp has to be from 60 to 80. I would think I have that. It's been 70 to 80 degrees for the last few days. The forecast for the next 2 weeks is mid 70s and low 80s every afternoon. That's not nighttime temperatures, but so I think I'm good planting some Kentucky Wonders. I'm also gonna tread just a little bit where I planted them. Make sure they get good contact with the soil, both sides of the grow arch. Water them in. So these pole beans will just grow up the arch, the cattle panel, and should be able to pick most of them overhead. I went ahead and watered the cucumbers. Those are Burpless cucumbers that planted on that one down there. And in the middle I'll plant some yard-long beans, and I've got to wait for those to come in on Amazon. So anyway, got them watered, got them planted. Not a whole lot, just one packet, but I would imagine one packet will be quite a few beans. And the yard-long beans, they go crazy, so I know we're gonna get a bunch of beans out of that. All right, that is it. Planting in the grow arches. Pretty cool stuff. We're gone.